Welcome to HealthCare Plus Paleo Diet Meal Plan. Hello viewers, listen to me today. I'll share you paleo diet pros and cons. What is paleo diet? The paleo diet is a way of getting back to our ancestral roots. Before we started agriculture and stopped hunting and gathering to survive, it attempts to emulate what we think our Paleolithic ancestors we would have eaten: organic produce, healthy meats for healthy fat. Foods you should eat. Here's a list to get you started eating the foods that are paleo approved. Knowing these off the top of your head is essential for paleo success. Foods you should avoid. Avoiding the wrong foods is just as important as eating the right foods. So get familiar with what you want to refrain from while on paleo. Benefits of paleo. Knowing why you're doing paleo creates a higher likelihood of sticking with it. So review the benefits so you know what sort of changes will be taking place. Paleo versus primal. Once you start searching for paleo info, you'll see a lot of primal references. Here's the difference between the two so you don't get confused. Strict follower of paleo diet. These paleo followers go by the book, and neither should modern humans. They will not allow grains of any kind, refined sugar of any kind, anything dairy, will seek out grass-fed meats, organic fruits, vegetables, eat wild game, and try to follow the protocol to the letter. Loose follower faux paleo diet. Other paleo followers take a more lax approach. Realize that in our modern world it's not practical to eat exactly like a caveman. They take some modern comforts into the paleo approach. They might have some dairy now and then, be content with pseudograins, or even have a non-paleo meal once in a while. If want to more paleo diet, click the link in description. Please don't forget to subscribe for new video.